what happen?
Expand.
It'll blow up, make the balloon bigger? Or like explode?
Explosion!
Okay, listen, everybody listen real quiet. Hear it? It's just boiling because the ladle is 70 degrees. This was long
There's a thing
hand.
on the floor too.
Okay. Oh, I just splashed it on me.
Did it hurt?
Yeah, it hurts.
It like bubbles up too.
So it's evaporating, filling up the balloon. See, you can see it down here in the bottom. Everybody see the liquid in there? Now,
That's getting really messy.
Oh, you had nothing up?
okay, now if I tie it, what do you think happens? It'll pop?
The balloons turn it on.
It's freezing.
Balloon tower defense.
It's gonna freeze. It's gonna freeze.
The balloon's freezing. It's gonna get bigger and it's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. That was
Now, what do you think it'll do for the rope?
Freeze. Break it.
How's the hammer?
It's gonna dissolve.
It'll dissolve?
It's gonna break into pieces.
You're wrong.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Who thinks when I take it out it'll be prettier? Who thinks it'll be red?
I think it'll be black. It's gonna be.
Think it'll be black?
Yes.
I think it's
Raise
just.
your hand if you think it'll be black.
It's gonna take all the color's gonna be gone.
Yeah, who thinks it'll dissolve? It'll dissolve. Somebody else? Yeah. Okay. Here's the bubbling.
It's gonna take all the color out.
You think all the color will be gone?
Yes. Yes.
Wrong.
This is gonna turn to drop on the ground.
You think so? No, so?
I know so.
It's gonna be frozen.
Don't make the hammer.
Is Ronnie the smartest guy you know?
Not.
He's the new.
It looks real.
It is.
It is real.
Oh my
god.
It's pretty.
Okay, here, what about this?
No.
Yes.
I'll get it.
It's
Fine.
gonna break, it's gonna shatter.
Freeze. It's gonna freeze.
It's gonna break it. Break it. It's gonna break it.
It'll be fine.
Everything's gonna be back to
It'll shatter, here we go.
Mine.
Stay seated. He wouldn't risk it.
It's a real 20. Now,
You wouldn't risk a 20.
oh, now why did the rose shatter but the 20 didn't?
It had no moisture.
It has no moisture. If I soak it in water, the moisture is what's freezing. Okay? Alright? Okay.
But now it's already, it made that last one, but now it's already.
That
Yeah, see? Now when it goes,
You can smell it. It's cold.
It's
Okay.
very cool, but it's already completely.
here's a lemon, just a regular lemon. Okay, we'll put it in there.
liquid in it. Nothing's gonna happen to the lemon.
No, it's gonna drop it.
It's gonna like.
What's the lemon got in it?
It's
It's moisture.
It's got moisture, right? So the lemon
No,
will
y'all
freeze.
think it's a good one.
Actually, no. No, it's not. It's not gonna
Okay,
bust.
watch this. Everybody, do not touch it though.
Yes, watch the floor. Don't touch it. Look under your feet. Look under your feet.
It won't hurt your shoes, just don't touch it.
Do
Looks like water balls.
not touch it.
Ow, something caught in my shoe.
Yes, do not touch it.
It'll burn.
Watch it.
You don't have like little. It's just
Yeah, throw it on.
Alright, you put the lemon in.
Lemon's in, let me see how far the lemon is.
No, it's not gonna freeze. It's not gonna freeze. It's gonna
think it's gonna freeze.
No, I don't think it's
Why
gonna.
would, okay, hang on, listen. He thinks the lemon won't freeze.
Crazy.
Which, hang on, to be fair, there is no dumb question in science, right? We really don't, you don't know what's gonna happen. Why don't you think the lemon will freeze?
Because it's all, there's no open area towards the
Okay.
inside.
Because here's why I think is a good reason. A lemon doesn't have a lot of water in it, but it's got acid in it, right? Citrus is really acidic, so maybe the acid won't freeze.
I think it won't freeze because it has like air pockets.
Air pockets inside.
Good
I mean, these are all, there is no, now, you might be wrong, but there is no dumb question. Is that fair?
Just dumb people. Just dumb people.
Drop it.
Okay, now, see it's cracked? See the crack around it? Now remember that, I'm gonna come back to that in a second.
You can use that as a hammer.
They didn't want to break.
Lemon candy.
It's not hot anymore?
No, it's still cold.
Oh, it's
I mean cold.
See how
Pass
the,
it around.
let's see, look how the inside hadn't quite filled?
It's lemon
Is
candy.
that how they make lemon heads?
No, that's just candy.
Good
Now,
That's a good question.
now listen, see how I took it out before it filled up all the way through. Okay, but if I left it, last class I left it in there all the way and it was solid all the way, so it will freeze all the way. I mean, that was a good thought, but it will freeze, see, it freezes all the way. Now, go back to the crack. Why do you think it was cracked? Any ideas?
Like whenever you, like with rocks, weathering, it'll,
What did we call that last year?
Erosion.
And rocks with water.
weathering.
Sediment, erosion, weathering.
Deposition. Was that erosion?
Ice wedging.
Expands.
Ice wedging.
Okay.
It's ice wedging.
Okay, now listen. We talked about freezing steel and it contracts, right? Water expands though, right? So the outside of it froze solid. But what's in there started expanding. There's nowhere to go, so it cracked. It was trying to break. Does that make sense?
No, it's your thing. And it feels
What
only
about
got
the
10
banana?
minutes, so listen up, watch the
What
banana.
about a banana?
Hard as a hammer.
It'll freeze a banana. The grapes are kind of
He
cool
says it
too.
won't freeze because it doesn't have liquid. Okay, well just see, that's a good hypothesis.
The banana have liquid?
He says no.
Grapes in there.
I want some grapes.
You go ahead and I'm not done. He's gotta wait 30 seconds for the marshmallow. Is that how they make dry ice? So Meeker, are you gonna eat some marshmallows?
Okay, hang on, we got a really good question.
Yeah, really good question.
Is that how they make dry ice? What is dry ice? No, what,
Brady, what is it? Ice that they froze out of thin air.
no.
It's a compound.
Dry ice is a compound. Carbon,
And
carbon,
oxygen.
carbon dioxide, so how many oxygen do you have?
2.
2. 1 carbon molecule, 2 oxygen molecules, right? So now you've got carbon dioxide.
Dude, stop it.
Watch it.
I don't have any more.
See how?
Do the tornado.
It's heavy because nitrogen's heavier than air.
Do the tornado.
Here, we'll put some of this
What's
on
the
there.
word we use besides heavier?
Dense.
There you
Yes,
go.
there you go.
Some
Okay, he's gonna put
marshmallows.
some on the marshmallows and Meeker and I are gonna have a snack.
Hey, I want to see.
I dare you.
It's Dippin'
Well,
Dots.
no, it's not Dippin' Dots. Oh, not yet.
It's Dippin' Dots.
We're gonna make Dippin' Dots.
I want one.
Did you get some on you?
We eat them. Yes, she's making tamales.
Is that racist? Is that a racist joke?
I see.
It's
That face.
No smoking.
You
No.
went to all smoking in school.
okay, the
She spit it
banana.
out.
Okay, watch this. This is kind of cool. The horn just doesn't work. It didn't come out
It's
fast.
like, whoa, Lucky.
What?
Hey, Coach Meeker, you should bring me one.
No, touch me.
Coach Meeker!
Coach Vegas!
I
I want one.
No.
Okay, here we go. Watch.
Watch the banana.
This is cool. It's gonna burn.
Now,
Nail, piece of wood.
It's gonna bust.
Oh my gosh.
Instant hammer.
see the banana too, if I leave it in there long enough, it'll freeze it all the way through.
Too cool.
Okay, let me see. Oh, here's the grapes.
Hand me a paper towel. Okay, watch the grapes.
Yeah, it felt weird.
Pass one down on each side.
See the grapes?
Oh, I'm in Coach Maker's class. I love you, Coach Maker. I love
Grapes.
Here, look at the grapes.
Oh, I'm in Coach Maker.
Okay, I can pass it around. Oh, there goes the grapes.
Oh, yeah. Woo, I got one.
Do not put your tongue or
Oh,
mouth to
hey, we
this.
forgot the coolest one.
Oh, yes. Do not put this on you. Don't be this one. You don't do that.
All right, look.
Watch the balloons.
See the balloons?
These are
crunchy.
hot air straight from Coach Meeker. Put in these balloons yesterday. So watch what's gonna happen.
See them? They're just regular balloons, right? Okay, real quick. Don't disappoint me.
Listen, guys.
What's the scientific theory? What do you start with? You start with a hypothesis, right? So what do you think is going to happen?
I think they're all
They're gonna blow up in the air.
They're going to pop?
It's gonna say,
They're just normal
They're
balloons.
just regular balloons.
they're gonna freeze.
There's nothing.
They're gonna expand.
Watch.
Okay, let's see.
If it explodes, I'm gonna drop my iPad. I'm gonna drop my iPad screen.
Okay.
That's all right, tamales then.
Alright, watch your feet.
Oh,
Now watch the
Over there, freezing. They can crush
Okay, now think about it. Why do they contract? Why do we think? That's a good one. Everybody hear that? The air inside it was warm. Room temperature. The air there, so it got smaller. Everything compresses, gets smaller, right? Slows down, right?
You want to do another rose? And then, yeah, go ahead and do this one first. Okay, this is I mixed some chocolate milk, chocolate. You've had Dippin' Dots before, right?
Nope.
Chocolate, half, and some vanilla. So this is ice cream liquid. It's like milk.
Look what it did to those.
If there's Dippin' Dots, I'll look.
It did break them.
Look, it made it oblong.
Eric likes the picture.
I've been giving up. See all the little dots on the ground?
Coach Meeker's a better Dippin' Dot maker.
Like it.
Okay.
You just dropped
Okay,
the
well-
dot.
No, drop there, Mason.
Yeah. Rip.
Everything, I do everything in a hurry.
Okay, there you go. You're good. Stop.
Okay.
Okay, one more rose. You want to see the rose?
Yes. Yeah. Spoons. We got that one last time.
That's bad.
Okay, hang on. He's asking why it doesn't burn. Okay?
Well, what would burn?
That ought to hurt me, right?
Yeah.
Wait, yes.
The liquid level's down to here. It's already evaporated.
Oh,
that
so it's
much.
just really cold.
It's really cold right here, but I'm not touching the liquid. The liquid's down about right here now. But when I started, it was up here. That's how fast it evaporates. Okay?
Can you
Y'all see my Dippin' Dots? Here, come here, Brian. Tell me.
Can I what?
Don't touch it, but tell us what
freeze
it
it and
is.
give it?
Dippin'
Freeze
Dots.
what?
One deal? One deal.
Freeze
You
the
don't
rest.
want to touch it.
You guys
I'm
pass
gonna screw you and
around.
let you taste it if you're sitting down. Sit down. Hey, yo.
Ah, shoot. It fell.
That's the other reason.
Science. Hey, hey.
freaking me out, that bowl's changing.
Here, look. That's really cool. You can poke it with your hand.